Okay. Gosh, I hope this is working. I apologize. The last few videos I did, the sound wasn't working. And so it didn't do you guys a whole lot of good. So sorry about that. But we're gonna do some of these problems together here. We're in 2.8. And we're on page 95 here. And this was homework for tonight, page 95 to finish this. We did 7, 8, and 9. Gosh, I should probably turn my music down here. It's kind of loud. Let me see here. Great music though, huh? I like it. Alright, so let me do some of these with you guys. And they don't give us a whole lot of work, a whole lot of room to do any work, but we'll do a few. Let's start with number 10 here. So number 10, it says it's 452 divided by 31. Okay. And, well, let's see here. How many times does 31 go into 4? It doesn't. 45, it goes in once. Right there, 31. Okay, subtract 31 from 45. 9, so it's 14 left over, and bring down the 2. So 31 into 142, probably around 4 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 15 would be too much, so I'm going to do 31 times 4. And 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 124. Now we need to subtract. And 4 from 2, we can't do that. It becomes a 3. We borrow. So that's 8. 2 from 3 is 1. And so it looks like the answer for this one, for number 10, is going to be, it's going to be 14. Remainder 18. So I'm going to write that down here. 14, remainder 18. Okay? There's number 10 done for you. Let's do 14. We did 10. Let's do 14 together here. Give myself another sticky. So we have 1,067 divided by 97. 97 doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 10, does go into 106, goes in once, doesn't it? 97, and we're subtracting that from 106. Well, 97, to get to 100, we need to add 3 more. That brings us to 100. And 106 is 6 more than 100, so I'm adding 3 and the 6, so that's 9. Now we bring down the 7. Oh, I see what's happening here. And it's going to be 97. It goes in once and 0. So it's 11, remainder 0. That was easy. I thought it was going to be a harder one. 11, remainder 0. I was trying to pick hard ones to help you guys out here. All right, how about this one? Let's do 18. What do we have here? We have 4,295 being divided by 66. 66 doesn't go into 4, doesn't go into 42. Wow, so 429. How many times? Well, we could round that to 400. We could round that to 70. 7 goes into 40. How many times? 7 and 6 is 42. Oh, that might work. Let's try that. So, no, and then 429. Let's try 6 times. I'm going to do 66 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3. 36 plus 3 more is 39. And if I added another 66, it would be too much. It would be over 429. So that's going to work. 396. And I'm subtracting that. 6 from 9 is 3. 9 from 2, that won't work. We have to borrow. That becomes a 3. That becomes a 12. And 9 from 12, 3 left over. And then we'd bring down the 5. So 66 into 335. Well, look over here. 6 times 66 was 396. 396 is more than 395, so let's try 66 times 5. See what we come up with. 5 times 6 is 30, right? 5 times 6 is 30 again, so 330. And remainder is 5. So that was 5 times. So it goes in 65, remainder 5. There's number 18 done for you. How nice is that? I hope you guys are following along and not just waiting to get the answers. Let's see here. Let's do 21. Let's look at 21 together. Identify relationships, algebra. Write the unknown number for each square. Oh. Well, here's what they're asking you to do. 429 divided by something equals 33. Gosh, I'm tempted to show you the algebra way to solve this, but I'm thinking that might be, well, no, why not? So here's what I'm going to do. No, I'm not going to do that. Well, we need to figure out what this is, right? So how many times does 33 go into 429? That's all we need to do. 33 into 429. Well, we almost have enough room right here. 429 divided by 33. Doesn't go into 4, goes into 42 once, right? 33. There's 7, 8, 9 left over. Bring down the 9. And that's going to be 33, and the 99 goes in 3 times. And the remainder is 0. So it's 13. This box equals 13. There's the answer. Okay. So in this one, well, this one's just like what we've been doing. 1092 divided by 52 is going to equal something. This one, something divided by 33 equals 11. What divided by 33 would be 11? What do you think you would have to do to these two numbers? Well, what if I wrote something like this? What if something divided by 5 equals equals 2? All right, now I'm helping you out here with this one, but not giving you the answer. Don't worry about this for a moment. Something divided by 5 equals 2. Well, 5 goes into something twice. What is that? Well, it's 10. Does that make sense? 10 divided by 5 equals 2. How did I get 10? What is 5 times 2? 5 times 2 equals 10. Well, that's how we solve this one. So, wouldn't we solve this the same way? What's 33 times 11? And that's all I'm going to do with that one. Let you guys figure that one out. Okay? Let's see here. A deli served a lot of sandwiches, 1,288 sandwiches in 4 weeks. Wow, they serve the same number of sandwiches each day. How many sandwiches do they serve in one day? Explain how you found your answer. Well, let's find our answer first. How many days are in 4 weeks? There's 7 days in 1 week. So 28 days in 4 weeks. Now what do you need to do? Well, you're just going to divide what? Divide 1,288 by what? 28. And that'll tell you how many sandwiches they would sell in a day. All right? And I'll let you do 23 on your own. Wait. Let's see. Mr. Paulson. Mr. Paulson collects trading cards. He has 1,025 baseball cards, 713 basketball cards, 836 football cards. He wants to put all of them in albums. Each page of the album holds 18 cards. How many pages will he need to hold all of his cards? So first thing you got to do is add up how many cards he has. And then you're going to divide that number by what? 18. And that will tell you how many pages he needs. So your answer will be in place of that question mark, pages. That's how many pages he will need. All right. So for some group points here, I want you to reply after you watch this video, and you just simply reply with "I love math" in the text below the video, and then you can get some group points. And we'll see who watched the video. And gosh, I hope it recorded. That is my voice. I will see you guys tomorrow.